Right, Cian, so a bit of metal then. So you put Wicker Man on the playlist there, so a good spot to start. Simple enough. So it's mostly power chords this, right? So we're starting off on the 7th fret of the A string, and then, as always, it's next string down 2 frets up. Now, most of the time you'd use power chords with the next 2 strings down 2 frets up, but these ones are just like that. Okay, so we're hitting this power chord and then opening up the 6th string and chugging on that. So we've got... C. So then we're going down to the 3rd fret A string, 10th fret. So slow down. Sped up. So then for the pre-chorus, watch the world exploding every single night. So that's D, quick little E, straight down to a C, okay? Watch the world exploding every single night. Then we're coming up here to a G. So we've got strumming wise here, that's down, up, down. Then we've got quick E again down to C. Then we got G, C, back up again. So this is the same as the first section. Then we've got the quick E again down to a C. Then we've got G and then D, so up 2 frets down a string. So we got, let's run through that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch the world explode every single night. Now, so the chorus is, we'll go through the power chords first and then the lead bit that goes over the top of that. So we've got E, C, G, A. And then every second bit is a little bit different. E, G, C, low G, and then the A. Both of those share the bar, so they're half as long. So we've got... Time will come. Your time will come. What is it after that? A, then E. Your time will come. Okay, so the lead part then. We're coming up here. So we won't worry too much about the scale for now, we'll just play it. So we've got the 16th and 14th frets. And then we're landing on the 17th fret on the D string. Then on the fourth of every on the last of every 4 times we do that, so we've got that 3 times. Okay, that's then the 4th of every 4 is okay, and that's what's going over the chorus. So we may as well just go into the solo, just not necessarily the whole thing. But it's a nice little run-up. So the scale we're using here is the E natural minor scale starting on the A string with its root note on the A string. So we're starting off. Let's just do the scale first. Okay, so what he's doing is... So he's going up by a third in step and then dropping back down to the root. Then we're going up in a scalar pattern by going up in step by a fourth, then skipping down by a third and repeating. So that's... Okay. Alright, so let's do that slow. So one more time. Okay, so then we're back into this little pattern. Okay, so that's open E string, and then 12-10. Same again, just up 2 frets. Then we've got 2, and then as part of the next phrase, the first note is also an open E string. So you've got... Okay, so that's... And they repeat that, I think, twice, and then they go into the main part of the solo, which we might get into later. Okay, so, and by the way as well, if you're getting into this kind of thing too, a great little riff just to start off with, it's real kind of bread and butter kind of metal stuff, is Eye of the Beholder by Metallica. It's just a really very typical kind of metal riff. So a lot of this is all kind of all downstrokes, right? With Eye of the Beholder though, it's... So look up the song if you don't know it, Eye of the Beholder by Metallica. Just try the first riff. So it's just all open 6 string, chugging. And then the very last note is unmuted, okay? So I really recommend sticking on a metronome at, I don't know, let's say... about 100, maybe 90 or so. So let's see what that sounds like. This is 95. 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Never mind. And just do that over and over and over again, focusing very specifically on steadiness. It's a nice riff to kind of get into that kind of thing with. So, but anyway, there's the Wicker Man, most of it anyway, minus the solo. So we might get to that next time. All right, I'll see you next time.